But now you get into the optimized content and optimize your surface area continuously. And that's ultimately about three things: be signals driven, figure out what you're trying to optimize for, and then creating content is a seed. It's the beginning, not the end, right? And so the best analogy that I can come up with so far, but open to new ones, is when you're creating a piece of content, you're really planting a seed, and you need to nurture that seed. And the quality of your overall environment is predictive of whether or not that seed is going to do well and how well you nurture that seed. And so every time you create a piece of content that's garbage, or you leave something to die, your soil is getting worse, and your environment is getting worse, and your website is your truth layer. And so it's almost like if you have a 1-star review as an Uber driver, right? To recover from that is going to suck, and it's going to take a long time. It's kind of the same thing here, right? You want to make sure the seeds you're planting are really high quality, they're informed by the right strategy, and you have the right goals in mind. And then you want to consistently go execute and improve that surface area and figure out how they're all connected and map that. And the more you do that, the more you're sending positive signals into these engines that, one, you do have the signal, you do have the right surface area, that surface area is high quality, and that if they recommend, cite, or send people your way, that they are confident that it's going to be a good experience for those people, right? And those are all the things you should care about. And so if you're creating a piece of content and it's not getting indexed, start there. If it is getting indexed, getting impressions, but it's not getting clicks and it's not getting cited, now you're trying to solve for why is that, right? And if it's getting traffic but not engagement, that traffic's most likely going to decline to 0 soon enough, right? And so you want to go fix the engagement part. If it's getting engagement, now you can start thinking through how you drive conversions, right? And that's the only way to truly build kind of this growth system, the system of growth and these loops, is to really address it from first principles. So for instance, like if your content is bad, it could be because your context is bad, or because some of the instruction on how you're steering or your understanding of the market is bad, right? If your conversions are your content is not converting, it could be that you're creating content in the wrong stage of the funnel and your CTAs are non-existent, or your offers are garbage, right? So there's like a lot of things that when you say optimize, make sure you're thinking through what exactly you're trying to optimize and why, and do it in a way that hopefully compounds across this entire system.